Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is May the 13th, 2025. I've just got to get to my notes again here. So I just shot a basil video and I just want to give you an update on these. So these are marigolds, and to be exact, these are called French marigolds. Very, very different from the one that you'll see in your local stores called Cracker Jack. And those are African marigolds, and they grow 3 to 4 feet tall. But these are the ones that I really like. All of these were grown from plants that we bought at Costco last year. So at the end of the year, around September, October, I started to remove all of the little dead flowers, and I kept all of the seeds over the winter inside, and I started those off. And I'll tell you here, so I started these, I planted them on April the 12th from seed. So, and for these, all I did was just sprinkle them right on top of the soil, and then I just covered them up. I just took a little fork and I just gently got them underneath the soil. So that was April the 12th that I started the planting, and by April the 15th, only 3 days later, all of them were sprouting. And I did really put a lot of seeds in here to make sure that I was going to have success. But look at this. This is amazing. And these are the first day that these have been outside in real sun. We've got about 25 degrees Celsius right now today. But look at this. Really, really nice. So these have been indoors under grow lamps. And the only thing that I've done is I've added I've mostly water, but about once a week I've been putting in that fertilizer that you've seen in my other videos that I've used on other plants. But anyway, there we go. So I just wanted to do a really fast update on these. So that's it for this update video. When they start to bloom, then I'll take another little video. Anyway, very, very impressed with these. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.